Welcome to our new series, The Young Hunter's Guide. I'm Anne.
And I'm Chris.
We're siblings and we got our hunting licenses last year.
With the support of GECO, we've had the chance to start this project. Here, we'll cover everything that matters to us as new hunters, from the basics to the questions you ask when you're just getting started.
In our first episode, we're tackling a topic every new hunter faces after passing their hunting exam, namely how to choose the right rifle. Christian, which rifle did you go for?
The first rifle I acquired is the Benelli Lupo in .308 caliber. The gun already has a muzzle thread here at the front for the option of a silencer and a relatively long 56cm free-floating smooth barrel. We have a two-piece Picatinny rail firmly attached here, which allows you to cleanly mount the scope using a ring mount. The plastic magazine is, of course, also included. We have a bolt handle with a 3-lug locking system and a direct trigger or shotgun trigger and a 2-position safety. And last but not least, we have a height and length adjustable stock.
So you've chosen this gun. What kind of hunting do you mainly use it for?
Mostly for stand hunting. I also get along quite well with the stock length. That means I can set myself up properly. And the scope, with its relatively large objective diameter, also gives me the chance to do something even at dusk.
You also briefly mentioned that it can be adjusted in height. How would that work then?
You can unscrew the butt plate at the back. Then you have to order extra parts like wedges that you can then insert here. And for the cheek rest, this black segment is also available in different height versions. And you can then adjust it just the way you want it.
I chose a Beretta BRX one in .308 caliber. I have the same thread as you, a 14mm thread, a shorter, smooth, free-floating barrel at 51 centimeters. The Picatinny rail is attached to the weapon system. My scope is attached with the ring mount. I have a classic straight-pull bolt-action rifle. It simply allows me a faster rate of fire when cycling the bolt. And yes, I'll briefly demonstrate to you how to cock it. Of course, the gun is unloaded. The gun can only be opened when it's uncocked. You close it once, and then the weapon would be cocked and ready to fire. And like this, it would then be uncocked. And why exactly did you decide on the .308 caliber?
For the .308 caliber, there are several reasons. It's a globally known, but accordingly also available caliber, which makes it possible for me to even get cheap ammunition. For one, it's very easy to shoot, even with silencers, though I don't have one yet, but that will come. And it can be used for many different types of game.
And of course, it can also be fired from short barrels.
Yes.
Stand hunting isn't really my thing, because I prefer more dynamic hunts.
And is that one easier to handle then?
Exactly, it's more practical for me then.
I have an adjustable stock setting here. How do you even manage without one at all?
Very well, because by using the ring mount, I can easily and precisely adjust the scope to fit me.
In terms of height?
In terms of height, exactly. Here are the rings. They are individually adjustable for every shooter. I can also show that to you once.
The scope is exactly at eye level.
Exactly, it's adjusted to me.
We shoot both weapons with GECO ammunition, which works very well with both guns. And we repeatedly get very good shot patterns, and thus also very high precision. Yes, as a conclusion to today's episode, I can say I'm very happy with the classic bolt action, the Lupo. The workmanship and the precision are simply top-notch. And for all the areas where I use it, mostly for stand hunting, I couldn't wish for anything else. And yeah, do you have anything else to add about your weapon?
Not really, I can confirm everything. I'm also very happy with my BRX, especially with the easy handling of a straight-pull bolt-action rifle.
Thanks for staying tuned and for watching today's episode. I hope we could give you a bit more input on these two weapon systems.
Yes, and in our next episode, we'll cover the topic of choosing optics.
Yes, and in the comments, feel free to write your opinion on your first weapon or generally what you got first.
Thanks for tuning in, and we'd be happy if you check out our series, Young Hunter's Guide, again next time.